Hey guys, it's Ata88. Today I will be showing you guys top 5 favorite squishy and top 5 least favorite squishy. So hope you guys enjoy, and if you're wondering where I got these, watch another video if I upload it. But yeah. So we're gonna start off with my top 5 most favorite squishy. Oh my god, everything dropping. Okay. On to the number 5. So, number 5 will be this mini hamburger bun. Oh yeah, different background, new room. I'm crazy. Really soft and squishy, and there is the tag. That's pluggy and bulky. Number 4 is, wait, how much did I do? 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, 5. So, okay, number 4 is, what should I choose? And I chose this. Okay, this is for number 4. Is this butt crack Avadea? It's really soft and squishy. It didn't get defect so easily. Just I tried to like push it and it's got ripped. Really cute. And I am in love with this squishy. One of my most top 5 favorite stress reliever squishy. This will get in there. Number 3 will be this Rilakkuma loaf or Rilakkuma loaf. It's soft, it's slow rising. What more do you want? Like, yes. Okay, I am a little crazy, guys. Number 2 will be this jumbo pink bun or jumbo blush bun thing. So soft and squishy. And sorry for my bad quality of camera. They're like beady. So this is that one. Number 1. Oh, you guys probably already know. Yes! My medium toasted bun. It is so soft. Oh my goodness. Oh my god, I can't stop squishing it, you guys. Like, don't judge me. I know some people will hate, like, people like squish it too much, but I just, every time I try to squish this and stop, I just can't. Okay, now on to my top 5 least favorite squishy. Yes, I am crazy, guys. No, don't judge me. Okay, on to the number 5 of top 5 least favorite squishy is this Hello Kitty mascot or Hello Kitty headband, I guess. Because it's pretty dense. It smells oh my god, very good. But it's like stretchable material and it's like not that squishy. I know it kind of has a little pop-up though, but no. And it's pretty much, oh, it's actually cheap, but this face though. Yeah. I'm concentrated on seeing. Number 4 will be my animal toast, the cat one, because it got defected so easily. Like I'm not squishing this a lot though, but it's like so much. But here's the back. I like taped it. Okay. Number 3. Well, wait, whoops. hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4. Where is one more? Guys, one more. Guys, it's gone. Anyway. Number 3 will be this ice cream because it got defected so easily. Like, I'm squishing this like only like 10 times or 15 because I don't really like it. And it got literally defect all over it. I believe there is also in the code somewhere. But yeah. Okay. Number 2 will be this awesome. Sorry for that noise. It's this awesome bun. You know, if it's the real one, I'm not gonna regret it at all or like hate it anyway. But this is like dense and it's like not squishy. And on to my number 1, it's missing. How smart. Okay guys, so the number 1 was gone for some reason. Oh, here it is. Okay, so the number 1 will be my soccer stress ball thing. Yeah, the reason I'm not like throw this away is just because it's just because this is bring a lot of memories on like elementary school on when I'm in 6th grade. But this is my best friend, that's why I'm not throw this away. Yeah. There is, I already cut it, but I still don't want to throw them. Really like dent. It's not slow rising, it's just randomly like that. Yeah. Okay, so this is my top 5 favorite squishy and top 5 least favorite squishy. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.